So we start off today's video with this Dollar Tree DIY. So it looks like they have like some type of table tray here. They're simply painting it. And then they're going in and adding some height. Oh, they did 2 layers. Oh, this is cute. Adding legs. Wow, this is such an easy DIY. And of course it's affordable because it's from the Dollar Tree. Very cool idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this next DIY is pretty simple and easy as well. We've seen some similar DIYs like this done in the past. I love it when you can just peel the sticker off just like that and not have to worry about using a blow dryer or a heat gun or anything. It just comes right off. So they're using the stone paint here. And they left a little bit of a clear area going there at the top. Filling it with water, and then of course some candles, floating candles. Very nice. This looks so relaxing. Even though I've seen like the same kind of style DIY done before, it's nice to see different variations of it. Everyone has their own take on that particular trend. Alright, so we got a DIY featuring some piping. So I'm thinking they're probably making a table. That's typically what we see when we see these items. Okay. She must not be making a table because this is just like one big item here. Oh, she might be making a vase, maybe. Yeah. Oh, wow. That is pretty cool. And you can put flowers on both sides. I like this idea. Very cool. I wonder if she did make that table though that's underneath. right, so we have another dollar store DIY. These tall vases, so she's spray painting this. And then going in and doing like the dip spray method. This creates like a really pretty like marble effect. And of course, I love the color scheme. Black, white, and gold, my 3 favorite colors. Oh, she kind of did like a half dip method, or like 3/4 of the bottle. Wow, those came out amazing. Very pretty. And then we have a DIY by Miguel. So he's using the heat gun and making a different shape here with the piping. Kind of looks like it's been like dropped on the floor a few times and dented. Okay, now that it's painted gold, it looks better. It looks kind of like a fancy twist. And then he's using some rubber bands. Some more color. Oh, wow. Black and gold. Oh, this is beautiful. So cool. Very nice. Oh, that came out amazing. Definitely my vibe and style for sure. Oh. Okay, I was thinking this is going to be spray painted, but it looks like they have flowers here. So they're making like different centerpieces. You could use these for your wedding. If you plan on getting married soon, make your own centerpieces. I did for my wedding, saved so much money. A lot of the times you can find most of the items at the dollar store. Look at this. And then what you could do too is grab your friends, have your bridesmaids help you. So you don't have to suffer in doing it by yourself. Unless it's just a labor of love and you want to do it yourself, you can do it yourself. But very cool idea. Wow, that is gorgeous. The crystals, so pretty. And this is more of like a simple design. You don't really have to do too much. You just got the flowers and the floating candles. You can also find items in bulk from like eBay and Amazon, stuff like that. And then here's another variation here. Oh, wow. Very cool. All right, so we have 2 wooden bowls here being glued together and a cactus. Some wooden letters. Oh, that's cute. Just says Cactus. That's a nice, simple, like, decor piece right there. got some more of that centerpiece DIYs here. Let me know which one you would try out for your wedding or just, to have around the house. 1, 2, or 3. So then we have this Barbie makeup gift idea. I actually think that this would be cute just to like decorate with. I mean, Barbie's having a moment right now. And yeah, why not? If you have like a beauty room or if you just have like your bedroom or something you want to decorate, this would be so cute. Oh, nail polish bottles. Wow, that is so clever. Oh, I love this idea. Yeah, this would be a really fun decor piece. I don't care how old you are. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me and you were able to gain some inspiration. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.